Hey everyone! Have you ever heard that you have to spend a fortune on skincare products to achieve glowing skin? Well, today I'm here to bust that beauty myth and show you how discipline can truly transform your skincare routine. First off, let's talk about consistency. By sticking to a regular skincare routine, you can give your skin the attention it deserves. Whether it's cleansing, toning, or moisturizing, each step plays a vital role in maintaining healthy skin. Now, let's discuss the importance of using the right products for your skin type. With so many options available, it's essential to do your research and choose products that cater to your specific needs. By investing in quality skincare products, you can see noticeable improvements in your skin over time. Remember, it's not about how much you spend on skincare products, but rather how dedicated you are to your routine. With a little discipline and the right products, you can achieve the glowing skin you've always dreamed of. So, take care of your skin and watch it transform before your eyes. Dizzy.
Hey there, beauties! Are you ready to boost your beauty sleep with some quick confidence tricks? Let's dive in. First up, invest in a silk pillowcase and eye mask. Not only do they feel luxurious, but they also prevent sleep lines and help keep your skin hydrated throughout the night. Beauty sleep starts with the right tools. Next, try incorporating a nighttime skincare routine. Apply a nourishing serum and a hydrating moisturizer before bed to wake up with glowing, refreshed skin. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And there you have it, beauties. Boost your beauty sleep with these quick confidence tricks and wake up feeling refreshed and radiant. Remember, self-care is the key to feeling confident in your own skin. Sweet dreams. Uplifting ending sentence, sleep tight, beauties, and wake up feeling your most beautiful self. Sparkling heart sparkles.
Hey there, foodies! Today, I'm going to show you how discipline can transform your cooking with these easy one-pan recipes. When we talk about discipline in the kitchen, we're not just talking about following a recipe step by step. It's about being organized, focused, and precise in your cooking technique. With these one-pan recipes, you'll see how a little bit of discipline can go a long way in creating delicious meals with minimal effort. Main story point 1. By keeping your workspace clean and organized, you can work more efficiently and avoid any unnecessary stress. This simple act of discipline can make a huge difference in the outcome of your dish. Main story point 2. Paying attention to the timing and temperature of your cooking can elevate your dish to the next level. With discipline, you can ensure that each ingredient is cooked perfectly and that all the flavors come together harmoniously. So, next time you're in the kitchen, remember that a little discipline can go a long way in transforming.
Hey there, beautiful souls! Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 delicious vegan dinner recipes that will not only nourish your body but also boost your confidence and success. First up, we have a savory tofu stir-fry loaded with fresh veggies and flavorful seasonings. This dish is packed with protein and nutrients to fuel your body and mind for whatever challenges lie ahead. Next, we're whipping up a creamy coconut curry filled with chickpeas, sweet potatoes, and spinach. This hearty meal is perfect for cozy nights in or impressing your friends at a dinner party. For a lighter option, try our vibrant rainbow quinoa salad bursting with fresh produce and a zesty dressing. Eating the rainbow not only makes for a visually stunning meal but also ensures you're getting a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals. Remember, success and confidence start from within, and what better way to nourish yourself than with these delicious vegan dinner recipes? Here's to your health and happiness. Seedling sparkles.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you my top 5 essential tips for clearing acne fast. Acne can be frustrating, but with the right approach, you can achieve clearer skin in no time. Tip number 1 is to keep your skin clean. Make sure to wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and bacteria that can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. Next, tip number 2 is to avoid touching your face. Our hands carry a lot of bacteria, so touching your face can transfer that bacteria to your skin and cause more acne. Try to keep your hands away from your face as much as possible. In conclusion, by following these tips and maintaining a consistent skincare routine, you can clear your acne fast and achieve the clear skin you've always wanted. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so be patient and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Uplifting ending sentence. Remember, clear skin is possible with the right care and patience.